blood relationship kan endo nga blood relationship hi exam sang poimo na mun thuk takania blood relationship prathiam tur hian formula engma hriat sa thil hriat sa kan nei ngai lawa mo kan hriat sa te kha pai vek zok ngai ni entinan question lo chok ta A is father of B, B is the mother of C, C is the uncle of chumi khami question lo chhong teu ta khatiang chok tur khan tu emani kan chung te keima ni te kan va in relate chin ta khatiang ani khan a thur ngo ta kan wangai to khan boi thak zo vek thina chuwang chon blood relationship chok tur hian kan thil hriat sa zong zong kan lo ngai to thin dan zong zong kan delete vek anga chumi hnuah chuan ka tuna kan soi tur hi kan apply don ani blood relationship chok tur chuan ama saberin plus ani chuan mihring mipa soina minus ani chuan meiche soina chuan hetia kan zia hian brother emo sister emo soinan kan hmangang chuan hetia kan ti hian husband or wife nupa soinan hei kan hmangang chuan hetiang ani hian son emo daughter emo soinan entirnan A is a brother of C ni chuan A chu brother tro ni chuan A chu positive ani chu tro khating hang kan zia kang entirnan A is wife of B ni ta se A chu wife of B ni chuan A chu hmeichhia ti na tro tiang khan chuan A is the son of B ni ta se A is the son of B tro son emo daughter ani chuan A hi son of B ni chuan A positive tro or A hi daughter of B taila chutini chuan B daughter chu A negative tro tiang zia khan or A is sister of B ti taila ni chuan sister of B hedilai kan hmanang kha tro khatia angzel khan problem kan chok chawanga ama saberin he problem hi enila thaume tunami hi SSC 2004 a chok to thawna ya how thei em hi A is this brother A chu engmo A chu D brother ni chuan A chu mi pa tro D chu engeni father B tan B pa tro B's father B tan D hi apa ni chuan mi pa tro B and C are sisters ani chuan B le C te hi meiche ve tro how is A related to C A hi C tan engeni A hi C tan chuan C pa chu enge D chan chu C le B te hi unaw tro C tan D hi apa unaw pa chu engte kan te thin therefore A is uncle of C ti mai tur ani